Hey everybody, this is Brianna with WTI, and if you're looking for a gift set for your next party, wedding, or other event, then you've got to check out this set of 50 hand creams, lip balms, and gift bags.
First off, each set includes a beautifully designed hand cream, lip balm, and a thank you tag, giving you a complete package for moisturizing your skin and lips. With 50 sets in one box, this is ideal for sharing with friends, family, or as party favors. The hand cream has a lovely texture. It's non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and leaves my hands feeling really soft. It's perfect for those dry winter months whenever your skin needs a little extra love. And if you're using these as party favors, everyone can always use more lotion. There are 6 different scents of lotion, and they all smell really good. While they're not overpowering, they do last for a long time. Some of the lotion bottles are bright and floral, while others are more neutral, so you can give these to both men and women. Now, the lip balms are fantastic. They're smooth, moisturizing, have a subtle scent that's not overpowering, and they're great for keeping your lips hydrated throughout the day. These are some of the best party favors I've found. Everyone who received one really loved it and was really touched by the detail. So if you're looking for party favors for your next event, definitely give these a try.
And that's my point of view.